Imagine waking up tomorrow. You reach for your phone, locked out. You check your email, access denied. Your bank account, drained. Your photos, your messages, your private documents, gone. It took you 10 years to build your digital life, but it took a hacker less than 10 seconds to destroy it. Why? Because you use that one password. You know the one you use for everything. Today, we stop the bleeding. We're locking your digital doors for good. Why it matters in 2026. You might be thinking, it's 2026. Don't we have biometrics? Doesn't AI stop hackers? Here's the scary truth. As technology gets smarter, so do the bad guys. AI isn't just helping you write emails, it's helping criminals crack codes. Brute force attacks, where a computer guesses billions of passwords a second, are faster than ever. Think of your digital life like a modern house. You might have cameras and motion sensors, but if you leave the front door wide open, none of that matters. Your password is that front door, and right now most people are securing their digital mansions with a screen door latch. We are living online more than ever. Your medical records, your work portfolio, your crypto wallets, it's all behind a string of characters. If that string is weak, your safety is an illusion. The silent mistakes you're making. Let's get real. You're probably making mistakes you don't even realize are dangerous. Mistake number 1, the variation game. You have a base password. Maybe it's Fluffy Dog. For Facebook, you make it Fluffy Dog FB. For Gmail, it's Fluffy Dog Google. You think you're clever. Hackers think you're lunch. Once they crack the base, they can predict the rest in milliseconds. Mistake number 2, the special character myth. You change password to P at SS word. You swapped an A for an Dike. Congratulations, you just delayed a hacker by about 0.04 seconds. Patterns like these are the first things their algorithms look for. Mistake number 3, the remember me trap. You let your browser save your passwords. It's convenient, right? But if someone gets access to your device, even remotely, browser storage is often the first place they raid. It's like hiding your house key under the doormat. Everyone knows to look there. If you are interested to see more tricks and tips, check this video in the corner. The solution: password managers. So how do we fix this? How do you remember 50 unique, complex passwords without losing your mind? You don't. You need a password manager. Think of a password manager like a digital bank vault. You don't carry your gold bars around in your pocket. You put them in a vault, and you only need one key to open that vault. That is your master password. Here is how it works. Generation. The app creates chaotic random passwords for every site. Strings like X7 hash KL $9 MP2. Impossible to guess. Storage. It encrypts these passwords. Even if the password company gets hacked, all they see is scrambled gibberish. They can't read your data. Only you can. Autofill. When you go to a site, the manager fills it in for you. You don't type anything. This actually protects you from keyloggers, malware that records your keystrokes, because there are no keystrokes to record. The best apps to use. Which vault should you trust? Here are the top contenders in 2026. Option 1. 1Password. This is the gold standard. It's famous for its secret key. This is an extra layer of encryption that lives locally on your device. Even if someone steals your master password and hacks 1Password servers, they still can't get in without your device. It's a fortress. Option 2. Bitwarden. If you want open source transparency, this is it. Open source means the code is public. Security experts worldwide constantly inspect it for holes. It's free for the basics and incredibly secure. It's the people's champion of security. Option 3. Dashlane. This is for the person who wants extras. It doesn't just store passwords. It scans the dark web to see if your data has already been leaked. It even comes with a built-in VPN for safer browsing on public Wi-Fi. To myths versus reality. I know what you're thinking. I hear it in the comments all the time. But what if I forget my master password? Reality. You're in trouble. That's the point. There is no reset button because that would be a security hole. But most managers let you designate a trusted emergency contact, like a spouse or parent, who can help you regain access if, and only if, you authorize it. But isn't it dangerous to keep all eggs in one basket? Reality. It's safer than leaving your eggs scattered on the sidewalk. A high-grade encrypted basket is better than 50 weak passwords written on sticky notes or stored in your brain. The engagement trigger. Here is a challenge for you. Right now, pause this video, go to a site called Have I Been Pwned, enter your email. See that red screen? That means your info is already out there. If you are using the same password on your bank that you used on that old gaming forum that got hacked 5 years ago, you are a ticking time bomb. Don't wait for the explosion. So guys, the era of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is over. Your digital identity is your currency, your reputation, and your privacy. Don't leave it unlocked. Download a password manager today. Change your banking password first, then your email. Take back control before someone else takes it for you. Stay smart, stay safe, and secure your world.